Hello, Cruising World. Mick the Suit Guy with you. It's Monday. Monday is Tips Day. And we are about to record week 2 of Julie's tips on Virgin. Last week we had 4 tips. It was a little bit awkward for me because I was having a lot of problem with my nerve issues. And they're still there. But what I've done, I took another muscle relaxer. That sounds really bad, doesn't it? Which tends to make me very drowsy. So if I fall asleep in the middle of this video, you know why. But last week I was doing that every time I get a zap. You get the gist. I probably had about 6 already. It's a bad day today. But I got to get these videos done because I'm going on a cruise and I got to upload them. So I thought I'd drink some water and try and offset it. I'm no doctor, but that didn't work. Oh, look who's here! You want to come and do your owners? Come on. Come on. I think you know who's coming. Come on. Come on. Come on, you want to do these? Come on. Come on. Jump up. Jump up. Yes, it's Portman. Yeah. She's been very loud today. Yeah, so we got Portman is going to help me do these tips from Julie. We're on tip number 5 of 14. So that's, again, she always stands with that view. Don't do that. And I already feel a lot better, you know, because you calm me down, don't you? All right, number 5. Number 1 this week. If you haven't cruised Virgin Voyages in a while, they do email you luggage tags to print now. Originally, if you were on the initial sailings, you got luggage tag stickers from the porters at the port. When I cruised in January, you could print tags at home, but of course, they can still give you stickers at the port. That is a kind of a big thing. That was a little bit annoying and frustrating when you had to go to the porters and you had to remember your cabin number. Very often, you don't even know what your cabin number is when you come up there. I'm trying to read. So, yes, it's very good that they now allow you to print those luggage tags. I think Virgin in the beginning... oh, there's another phone call for spam. I think Virgin... Oh, what are you doing? Will you leave that alone? I think Virgin in the beginning were a little bit rushed to get things out and they didn't think a lot of things through, but they are gradually getting there and they're picking everything up. So they're getting better all the time. Speaking of which, you're going to turn around and look at everybody else. Look. That's it. You got to face the people. They want to see you. Here we go. See what she likes. She likes a little scratch, don't you? Like a little, no. You want to rub everything. Oh my God! Look, put it down. Look, don't. Ugh. Never work with children or animals, is what they say. But I'm going to say this: since she's been here, I've still got a few zaps, but they've mellowed it out a lot. Mellowed out a lot. God. I was giving Julie grades, and that's a solid 9, that one. I don't see anything I could really correct on that. So I may even give you a 10, but as you're my wife, that's not allowed, so you get a 9. Look, it's just a piece of paper. Number 6. Oh, I see uppercase. If you plan on checking your luggage for debarkation versus self-carry-off, leave your embarkation luggage tags on. That was in uppercase. This is what they use as they group them by floors versus zone numbers like Carnival. But if you forget and take your tags off, don't worry, Sailor Services can give you new ones to put on. That is something I cannot talk to. I do not know. I certainly have not cruised Virgin as much as Julie has. What are you doing? What is all this pouring? So I'm going to take that as that's probably a 10, but again, I can't do that. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to do a 9 because I won't give her a 10. Otherwise, she'll get all big-headed, and that's not going to happen. Like you, wagging your tail and rubbing all this. Look, you're getting in the way. You're just totally in the way. I can't even read. Look, I can't even read. It's not supposed. That's supposed to block the microphone so that the sound isn't as ruffled. It's. Come on. Oh, that's right. You scratch yourself now. So if that made sense, I'll read it again. If you plan on checking your luggage for debarkation versus self-carry-off, leave your embarkation luggage tags on. This is what they use as they group them by floors versus zone numbers like Carnival. But if you forget and take your tags off, don't worry. You can go to Sailor Services and they'll give you new ones. You are so going to break something here one of these days. Why do you have to just do that with everything? Just go eat this. Yeah, I'll give you an award if you go away. No, not going to go away. This cat, if you can believe it, she is 16 years old. She's an old, you know what. But she runs around like she's a baby. Number 7. Bring a red outfit for Scarlet Night. PJs for the PJ party. And if you're into an 80s aerobics class, then bring your best 80s workout gear, including leggings. I don't remember Julie taking that 80s workout gear or leggings to do that. You do have some secret leggings I don't know about. Oh, God, look. I had this all perfectly. Every time I touch it, you just headbutt it back. Nah. All right. So there you go. The Scarlet Night, if you've heard about it or if you've experienced it, you'll know it's intense. It's the entire ship. It's not like you have, say, on Carnival where they have a white night and you go upstairs for half an hour and you do line dances and then it's over. Not like that at all. It's a whole evening event. It will go from like 7 till 2 in the morning. It's a very good event. They decorate the entire ship with all sorts of things. And you're not going to Red Night. You're banned. And the DJs up top are playing by the pool and everybody jumps in the pool. And the DJs are next level DJs. I mean, Carnival's got DJ Q and they haven't really got too many other really good DJs. But even DJ Q, as good as he is not as good as these DJs on Virgin. They are Vegas club style DJs. Because I am a DJ myself, not a very good one, but I'm a wedding DJ. So I know how to DJ and I understand their craft. And I stood by one once at a Red Scarlet Night and I was just blown away how good he was. It was just amazing. All right, there you go. No, you just plop yourself down then. You just plop yourself down. Why do you always hit your head in the floor like that? You hear the thud and it picks up in the microphone. She hits her head so hard. Number 8. We got to do 2 more. Come on. Number 8. Oh, hit your head again. Make sure to bring a refillable water bottle or cup as they do not sell any one-time use plastic water bottles on board. This is important so you have water to take off the ship for shore excursions. They put 2 carafes of water in your room every day, and there are plenty of refill stations around the ship in the public spaces. I like to put my carafes of water in my fridge so they're nice and cold when I come back from being ashore all day. Now, Julie is a water drinker. She is a water specialist. So if anybody knows water, it's Julie. So listen to that. I use the term there's water in beer, which means I don't drink nearly enough water and I need to. And I keep trying. Look, I've got some here. I didn't bring a red stripe, you notice. But it's pretty painful even to drink right now. So, yeah. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. Anyway. Oh, God, don't break that. You'll be in trouble if you break that. Oh, for God's sake. I've got to do one more, and then we're done. One more, then we're done. So, yeah, that's remember that tip on water? Oh, God, just go back and... Can you just not settle down? Cats are supposed to sleep like all day. We got 2 cats, right? You never see the other one. I know where she is. She's sleeping on one of the chairs. I know exactly which chair she's sleeping in too. I can't even... Give me that. All right, last one today. Oh, for God's sake, look. Stop. Look at everybody. Look. See everybody now, right? Have a nice look. And then we're going to do this one together. They do a status match with Carnival. So if you were thinking of trying them out, it's a good incentive. So I'm going to give that one a 4 out of 10. Because you didn't clarify it's a status match only if you're platinum or diamond. So that's a pretty, that was a rushed tip, I can tell. Or you didn't think that one through properly. Or that's, so you're going to telling people, everybody, they can get a status match, but only if you're platinum or diamond. And I think you know that. So that's your first whack, whack. And I can't whack. Oh, they're coming back. Whack, whack. If you notice, I talk soft. When I talk lower, it's not so bad. let's just put it this way. I couldn't sing karaoke this afternoon. Well, I can't sing karaoke anytime, but certainly not right now. So there you go. Sorry to be mean on that last one, but you deserved it. But yes, they do a stats match, and it's very good if you qualify for it. And they'll also recognize it for future cruises. So if you qualify for a stats match today and you book another cruise, it will automatically add. So you haven't got to, do it every time. So yeah, I may put you down to a 3 because you didn't include that one. Oh God, hair everywhere. All right, so that's it. Thank God for this one. And I apologize. That was really hard to watch with a cat. But, she's playing for the limelight, aren't you? You're playing for the limelight. Yes, you are. 16 years old. Yep. All right. So subscribe if you want to. Hit that bell if you want to get notifications every time these wonderful videos come out. And don't forget, next to that subscribe button, there is now a Join Now button where you could become a member. And you get extra things for being a member, including early access to all my Saturday videos. So Mondays tips like this, Thursdays cabin, Saturday a random video like a port tour or a ship tour or something like that. But as soon as I make them and upload them, instead of scheduling them, they are members only, and then I will schedule them when they're due to come out. So you might get 2-3 weeks early notice. You might get a few days, so there you go. Oh, for God's sake. And you can have a cat. Just tell me where to send it and you can have it. It's old though. Old and ornery. And send me any questions if you have. My email is coming up. With that, thank God, we got one more week to go. I can rest my face. I will see you later, Cruising World. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. You never knew she's a lefty, did you? Well, thanks for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell. You'll get notifications when future videos come out. And also, you'll see to the left and right of me, there are some more of my videos you can watch. Also, you can join my lovely little channel here. Hit that join button next to the subscribe button on my main page. We have 3 different levels you can join at. And if you join at the highest level, I will name a suit after you. And every time I wear that suit, I'll have your name in the pocket. I will sing your name to the rafters, maybe even at karaoke.